Hello, welcome to this video on a checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by Sam Loyd in 1860. There is only one first move that can get you the checkmate in 2 for this, so let's take a look. If the knight is moved down, then the king can move up, and we can get a check, which can be blocked by the pawn, and then we can get a checkmate in 3 with the queen, but obviously not a checkmate in 2. If the knight is moved upwards, then the king can also move upwards. Bishop can take the knight, but then it can be blocked with the pawn, and then we get the checkmate in 3, but not 2. If the king moves up, then the pawn can be pushed forwards. Then we can do a discovery check on the king, but the king can move down, and we get a checkmate in 3 again, not 2. If we try to take the knight with the bishop, the king can again move down. We can get a check here with the knight, so the king has to move down again. Then we can do a sort of forced checkmate, but again, this is not a checkmate in 2. Okay, so the solution to this checkmate is to move the bishop down to h1. If black moves up the pawn like that, then we can just do a discovery checkmate. If black takes the knight with the pawn, the queen can just move up there to checkmate the king. Black tries to push forwards the other pawn, and the queen can just move down to checkmate the king in that position. If the king tries to move down, then the queen can just move in to checkmate the king instantly. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.